In May 2017, Inmarsat signed an MOU with the Smart Africa Alliance and the Rwandan government to transform Kigali into a smart city which utilizes Internet of Things, IoT technology. The aim is to create a blueprint that can be repeated across cities in Africa. Aligned with the Smart Africa initiative, Inmarsat's strategy is to build IoT infrastructure, support an ecosystem of organizations developing IoT use cases, and to increase the skills capacity of local people. Inmarsat has built a LoRaWAN network covering Kigali, which enables the many uses of IoT technology that support a smart city. The infrastructure allows data to be sent from IoT sensors to an Inmarsat gateway before it is transferred to the wider internet via Inmarsat's resilient and secure satellite network. The data is then returned to an analytics dashboard, providing the project owner with the necessary information to help make smarter decisions.
We want Kigali to become a hub of smart cities in Africa. We know that so many people will be looking at Rwanda as a case study because this is the particular flagship that our President Paul Kagame, has agreed to champion at the continental level. I look at the next generation as a generation that will have a completely transformed starting point than where Rwanda started 20 years ago.
Inmarsat is working with government organizations including EUCL, Rwanda's National Electric Grid, WASAC, Rwanda's Water and Sanitation Corporation, the Kigali City Engineers Department, and RISA, an organization mandated to develop ICT in Rwanda. Some of the practical applications in development include monitoring of substations and grid infrastructure, water leak monitoring, smart streetlights, and environmental monitoring.
We believe IoT is a critical tool that can enable us to do it smarter, do it better and efficiently. And Inmarsat is playing a very important role. The government cannot do it alone. The private sector will be a critical partner in this initiative. For example, electrification, like street lighting.
Sahasra Electronics is a lighting manufacturer working with Inmarsat and the Kigali city authorities to develop smart street lighting by integrating IoT sensors into the lighting cover of streetlights.
First phase of the smart lighting will be 2000 lights. The sensor have the capability to send the signal through the transmitter to on off, and also we can control the dimmable. It's a single point for the many other smart things. And we have an opportunity to showcase our product here in Kigali, and then we have a good business opportunity to replicate this model to this country.
As part of its Smart Cities education program, Inmarsat is working with educational institutions including Carnegie Mellon, the African Center of Excellence in IoT at the University of Rwanda, Fab Lab, and the Rwanda Integrated Polytechnic Regional Center. The aim is to increase awareness of the possibilities of IoT, build solutions to the challenges that Kigali faces, and develop and scale these projects with private and governmental support. Working with the IoT innovators of tomorrow is very important to the project, and Inmarsat has located its gateways near to educational institutions to encourage involvement.
The infrastructure which Inmarsat has put in for the Smart City initiative is going to complement the center's research objectives. Our PhD students have selected various use cases which address the development priorities of nation: smart water management, smart fish farming, smart health care, and also disaster control. The students are really going to create an impact for the nation. It's a very exciting time for Kigali.